What's up guys, it's Jasmine back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the Yeezy 350 V2 linen drop. So basically I tried to get the linen 350 V2 Yeezy today and I had a major L. So I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning and it was sold out within 20 minutes from Champ and Foot Locker and Finish Line. So I went back to bed. And then I went to work, and I'll put the footage here. Before we even opened up, I had all my browsers open, and I was cool enough to have my supervisor let me be on these web pages while working. Anyway, back to work. So I'm on Yeezy Supply for 3 hours. The site keeps crashing. I can't get anywhere. And yeah, I can't cop anything. So there's that. On the Adidas app, I was in the draw and I didn't cop anything from that, didn't win. And then I tried, had like 7 tabs open on both computers and didn't win anything from that either. So yeah, major L on everything I tried. And I was super bummed about it because this colorway is like the best colorway ever and nothing happened. So yeah, pretty sad. So if you copped a pair today, that's really awesome. Obviously, you know, I'm not an expert at copying live shoes on like release days. I have no idea what to do. I just kind of am like, ooh, I'm just gonna open like 10 browsers and like click back and forth and hoping like that something's gonna happen. I have no tricks up my sleeves on like multiple users or anything like that. I just kind of hope and wait. So if you have any tricks down below, please comment. If you got a shoe today, good for you. If not, watch that resale market. It'll drop once people get them in hand. But right now, resale market's pretty high because they just released today. So don't buy them today. Just wait a day. I did that with the Yeezy Desert Sages. I paid like $325, I think. And then within the next day, they dropped like $50. Don't be me. So just wait it out. Wait a couple days, wait a week, and then, you know, don't buy from StockX because you'll wait a month. Goat, you can pay that instant ship fee, which is like ridiculously high, but if you really want your shoes next day, it's worth it. That's what I do. Or look on different websites, but make sure you're buying authentic shoes. So thank you guys for tuning in. I just wanted to share my experience and how I lost and I was kind of expecting it. Maybe it's the universe telling me that I need to save my money, and maybe you do too. We are in the middle of a pandemic, so who knows, but hope everyone's doing well, and thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.